This is a short instructional video of how to operate the Rensair air purifier, and we'll go through the different buttons on the display, and afterwards you will have an understanding of how it works and you'll be ready to use your Rensair. So you can see on the display there are 6 buttons. The top left here is the on button. We'll hit that and you can see the Rensair is now on. So immediately you will see fan speeds, you will see a display for UVC light. There's a temperature display, and then there is a small bar indicating air quality from good to bad, and then finally the bottom of the display indicates the hours it takes before you need to replace the filter and the UVC light. So you'll see when the Rensair turns on, it defaults to an auto setting here. That means the built-in particle sensor in the unit will detect air quality, and let's say air quality worsens, the bars here from good to bad will increase, and the unit will automatically adjust fan speed up until it detects the air quality is good enough again, and it will adjust back down. I can press this button once. This is the fan speed setting. You then see that auto disappears and it's now defaulted to only run on the low standard airflow setting. I can press the button again and it will go to the medium airflow setting, and I can press it finally to go to the high airflow setting. If I hit it a 4th time, it will go back and default to auto. It's an option to switch the UVC light inside the unit off. We recommend to always have it on, but it is a requirement in certain hospital settings to be able to switch it off, which is why it's there. It'll always default to being on when you turn on the unit. So those are the 3 buttons here. On the right hand side you will see a timer function. So what shows the temperature right now, if you hit the button once, it will show 8 hours. This is an automatic setting to switch off after, in this case, 8 hours. We can adjust that up or down. And that means when you come in the morning, you can turn your Rensair on, you can set how many hours you want it to run for, and you then don't have to think about it for the rest of the day. Finally, as I mentioned, we have the counter at the bottom of the display from, you can see this filter is brand new, so there are no bars here. They will count up towards 9,000 hours, and when they reach the 9,000 hours, the bar over here will start blinking. That's when it's time to change your HEPA filter and UVC light, and after you've done that, you press the reset button to reset the display. The button only works after you've changed the filter, so if you press it now, nothing happens. And that's it.